Hello everyone and welcome to Cambrian College Enrollment Center's YouTube channel. In today's video, we cover how to pay your tuition and how to check your academic schedule to stay on top of important dates. Let's get started. To start, let's cover how to make payments on your student account. We've already covered how to check your My Account and student invoices in a previous video, so be sure to check that video out. First, make sure you have your Cambrian College student ID number with you. It's the number that starts with A00. Next, we'll navigate to your bank's online banking portal, where we will be adding a payee. Depending on which bank you're with, this process could look slightly different, but you can always contact your bank to have them set up the payee with you. Usually, this is found in the Bills section of your online banking portal. Click Add a Payee, search for Cambrian College Student Payments, then add your Cambrian College Student ID number as your account number. Save the payee and you are set to start making payments on your student account. Now let's cover how to find and navigate your academic schedule. The easiest way to find the academic schedule is to navigate to cambriancollege.ca, and in the search bar, we will type in Academic Schedule. Press Enter and click on Academic Schedule. You'll notice there are multiple academic schedules, and which one belongs to you depends on a couple of different factors, such as when you were starting a program and what type of program you are enrolled in. For example, Schedule A is for students who are enrolled in programs with start dates beginning September, January, and May. Schedule B is for programs beginning in November, March, or July. Schedule C is for a different type of program called Graduate Certificates, whose semesters run in 7-week blocks, with start dates beginning September, January, and May. Graduate Certificates are those programs whose entrance requirements include already having graduated a post-secondary diploma or degree program. Schedule D is for Graduate Certificate programs whose semesters run in 7-week blocks, with start dates beginning November, March, and July. And finally, Schedule F is for our Bachelor of Science in Nursing students starting in September. I'd like to point out a few key dates, although each date on the academic schedule is important to keep track of. First, we have online registration dates, and for those of you familiar with our channel, already know that we have a video that covers how to complete your online registration. From there, we have dates listed for the start of class, the last date to register for a program or adding a course. This includes switching electives if you wish to do so. The last date to withdraw from a program with a refund. This includes refunds related to dropping to part-time studies. The last date to have your semester tuition fees paid to avoid a late fee. Your study week, which means no classes for most programs. The last date to drop a course with a W or withdrawal grade instead of receiving an F grade. And the end of the term. This concludes our guide on how to make payments and how to check your academic schedule to keep track of important dates throughout your semesters here at Cambrian College. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions or need any additional assistance, feel free to drop in to see us at the Enrollment Center or send us an email. As always, have yourself a great day from your friends here at the Enrollment Center at Cambrian College.